Hello and welcome to TYBSc students in this third lecture about the topic linkage and recombination. In previous lecture we have studied different salient features of the particular concept of linkage and different examples related to the linkage, and then we have studied the particularly linkage group. In today's lecture we are going to study the different types of the linkage, and then we will see the significance of this particular concept, that is linkage. So let us see these particular types of the linkage. Before that, we have to understand how or what is the linked gene and non-linked gene. For that purpose, we will uh, discuss this diagram, that how the not linked genes create combinations and linked genes create what type of combinations. So these are the particularly homologous chromosomes on which at the time of combination after fertilization the sister chromatids, these are the particularly sister chromatids, and on that chromosomes on the chromosomes, the sister chromatids, the genes are present and they exchanged at the time of combination, and the not linked genes, suppose gene 1 and gene 2 are for are far apart on the same chromosome, that is 1a and 2a. This is one sister chromatid, and 1b and 2b, this is the another sister chromatid. At the time of combination, the far away genes are create new combinations. These particular uh, uh, not linked genes or far away genes create new combinations, and this another type, that is linked gene, or we can, how these linked genes work we will see. Gene 3 and gene 4, these are gene 3 and gene 4 which are close together on the same chromosome, very close together on the same chromosome. They create no new combinations on the at the time of combination, or at the time of cell division or sharing. Now, depending upon the presence or absence of new combinations or non-parental combinations, linkage can be of two different types. One is complete linkage and another is incomplete linkage. So let us see the by the definition what is complete linkage and what is incomplete linkage. If two or more characters are inherited together and consistently appear in two or more generations in their original or parental combinations, it is called complete linkage. Here we can see this particular generation after generation, the no new combination occur, so or original or parental combinations occur, it is called complete linkage because the genes are closely linked. While in incomplete linkage, it is exhibited by those genes which produce some percentage of non-parental combinations. Well, in case of the complete linkage, second point is these genes do not produce non-parental combinations. While in case of incomplete linkage, such genes are distantly located on the chromosome. So this is the particular not linked genes are distantly located on the chromosomes. The third point, genes showing linkage are closely located in the same chromosome. Here you can see these particularly closely located. While in case of incomplete linkage, it is due to accidental or occasional breakage of the chromosomal segments during crossing over. The combination occurs due to accidental or occasional breakage of the chromosomal segments during crossing over. The example of complete linkage is genes for gray body and long wings in male Drosophila show complete linkage, while in case of the incomplete linkage, the examples are female Drosophila and various other organisms such as tomato, maize, pea, mice, poultry, and man. So there are also many examples of incomplete linkage. So this is all about the complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Now we will discuss about this particular significance of the linkage. So this particular linkage, how it is important in the breeding practices, we will get understand by this particular significance of the linkage. Linkage reduces the chance of recombination of the genes and thus help to hold parental characteristics together, because this happen in closely linked genes. It thus helps organism to maintain its parental, racial and other characters, because that's why we are similar as look like as our the parents one. And for this reason, plant and animal breeders find it difficult to combine various characters. Linkage play an important role in determining the nature of scope of hybridization and selection program. This particular significance is important in the plant and animal breeding. So this linkage restricts the appearance of the new combinations. So this particular linkage restricts or bans the appearance of the new combinations, and which is significant in the breeding practices. In linkage, some qualitative characters are linked with some quantitative characters. These genes are called as the marker genes.